In 1933, Hitler and the Nazis took control over Germany. Quickly after, they got full power and could do whatever they desired. In 1936, the Germans occupied the Rhineland, followed by the annexation of Austria in 1938, and the annexation of the Sudetenland a few months after. And we all know how that ended up. But in this universe, things are different. The Wehrmacht splits into two parts. The first one are the monarchist rebellions, and the second one are the Nazis. The anti-fascist rebellions, followed by August von Mackensen, fight hard, but end up winning against the fascists. Soon after, Kaiser Wilhelm II takes over Germany. In today's video, I will play as the German Empire in Hearts of Iron 4 and lead its path to success. Okay, first I will do the post-Hitler focus, and then I will research all of this stuff. Now I will build a little bit of mills. And this is the setup I want, even though I will not actually be using tanks. I will start training 8 divisions, which will turn into 4 once the Civil War starts. And they just, make our armies. I'll make sure we worry about that. Oh, actually we can indeed even build more mills. Okay. Let's say, of course, research that, and we could start. Okay, so Civil War has been started, and here is our 15 good divisions and 24 bad militias. We're gonna take our general and assign him an offensive doctrine. Now we're gonna assign a big front line. This very small front line with our 15 divisions. And we will try to push slowly, even like, micro. Now we don't really have railways here, but that's okay. Also, I will go on prioritize economic growth, and I will add some generals. I think this infantry one should be more than great. Take this guy, and we put on air superiority. Start. Okay, as you can see, we are pushing, and we will slowly push with our horrible tank. Why am I saying horrible? Because that's just a horrible tank division. The only way we're using it is like to micro and try to gain free tiles. Like with regular tanks, just with regular tanks could actually do some damage. But yeah, these divisions are actually not bad. These are like our regular infantry divisions. Oh, we almost captured Berlin. Well, that's fine. Okay, as you can see, we are really being pushed back, but that's okay. That's something that usually is supposed to happen. You just push them even more in the north, and then you just completely get all of the north of Germany. Okay, we are pushing even more, which is great. We want to now advance with our tanks. Here I wanna cut all of this, gain all of this territory. Why am I think so slow? Well, I don't really have supply here, but neither do I. Yes, I didn't even here, but still. Okay. These guys are going to be done now. Yet, encirclement. So, just research this stuff. So I actually want to take these guys to here and push. And I hope this will be successful. So let's just start pushing. Just go. Yes. Okay, this was pretty successful. Boom. Okay, this was successful. Unlike everything I do in this game, which is of course making me happy, as I did something successful. Boom. And we're gonna get Berlin and all of this stuff and all of this cool stuff. And the Spanish Civil War started and killed himself. And these troops are encircled too. And finally stuff is going to our favor. Finish these encirclements. Boom. Finish this encirclement. Let's look at the casualties. Oh my god, that is... Because I do think I can push here. Just push fast. Oh no, my militias are doing such a horrible job. It's not like they were supposed to do a good job, but still. I usually don't get pushed back from like all of these. Boom, just push. And they're done. Come on. Boom. As easy as that. So yeah, that was easy. So now comes the boring 3-year period where I do absolutely nothing. Of course I will hang them, kill them. So I don't need these divisions that I trained. And I will start training new fresh divisions. Wait, then why did I disband them? Oh, that's fine. Continue this. Now we will start going towards fixing our economy drastically. Okay, first of all, let's lower taxes, and then we'll do housing development. Like that. Let's do industrial expansion now. Okay, so I'm back in the game. I can use finally 4 sieves out of 15, something that I could not have done. So yeah, that is pretty impressive. The Spanish Civil War keeps going on. And it looks pretty okay for the nationalist. Let's also produce some civilian trains, which are also pretty much important. Not very much, but they are important. Actually, we don't need to keep making sieves now, mills now, because now we are going to build sieves like that, which is what I usually do in a normal German game. I do it because there are like state modifiers here which makes building faster. Yeah, our economy is pretty good right now. And let's just do partial mobilization. Sadly, we could have gone war economy, but I didn't do it because I'm not very smart. That's my only explanation. Now we do secure the new state and we try to build even more infantry. Okay, we've just done secure the new state, which just decreases our fascist population to oblivion. That's basically it. And just assign even more generals, even though it's not really important right now. Just do it because I have the political power to do it. Now basically, you know what, I'll put more meals on support equipment because I see that I'm lacking it right now. So yeah, now I'm basically doing Return of the Kaiser, and this is not a tutorial. I'm not even good at the game, but I'm gonna improve relations with the French because there is a very little chance, but there is a chance that the French will reject that Wilhelm II return because you know, I remember what happened in the First World War, and I could just be like, oh no, this is not happening. But if we improve relations with them, the chances of this happening are very low. Now usually also do diplomatic pressure with the spy system, but I didn't really have you know, I didn't really build a spy agency, so yeah, I can't really do it. As you can see, Wilhelm II is like a great leader. It's like, you know, I really like him. He gets a lot of buffs, but you know, if Wilhelm II is getting rejected, then you will have to use Wilhelm III, which is much worse. He doesn't get all of these buffs. Honestly, he just gets debuffs. I'm basically just gonna do all of these focuses, which improve my industry, and this fun Prussian militarism is like, you know, letting me to have more population to, you know, train and have in combat, and also reduces my training time in 10%, which is like a huge buff in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. Ooh, Lithuania declared war on Poland. That's something that happens every time I do the Kaiser run, and I have absolutely no idea what it happens. Like, what happens out of this, that Poland just gets half of Lithuania and Lithuania only got this city left. So yeah, that's pretty sad for Lithuania, but honestly, that's their fault. I started it. Honestly, I'm just pumping out these divisions at an incredible rate. Like, I'm already going to have now my 4th army, and that is very good because I want to have at least 5 armies by the time I start the war with the allies. Now you may ask why I didn't do the, like, Danzig for guarantees focus, like why I didn't restore my you know, German Empire territory. Then my this question, I have a really simple answer. If I would guarantee the Polish, then when the Soviets ask for land from Poland, like Eastern Poland, in like around June 1914, then the Polish will almost every time refuse because I guarantee them, yes. And then the Soviets will declare on the Polish, and because I don't even have an option to not guarantee Poland, automatically via event I will have to press one button that says that I declare war on the Soviets. There isn't a no or betray button, you just, or like do revoke guarantee, you just have to, like, you know, help Poland in case they fighting the Soviets. Now in around half a year I am going to be at war with the allies, and I'll have to improve my supply here because I'm gonna stack on this small border 2 armies, and here I also put 1 whole army, And also I'm currently preparing the Italian coup, which will basically make Italy ally with me and to become monarchist. The monarchist in Italy rise. And now we will start going towards invading the allies. As you see, I already have everything planned. I am building new railroads and improving the supply hubs. So we will have a successful invasion. And also it is important to train them, because they get 25% modifier from that, which could drastically help us. It's like the winter war has started and doesn't look great for the Finnish AI. Well, eventually they will still make a white peace, but this doesn't mean that it doesn't go bad for the Finnish AI. As you can see, I am doing the focus that will allow me to declare war on the French, the British, and who could forget the British? What? Why did Britain just become fascist? Like, almost every time I'm going non-historical with the Kaiser, they actually do the opposite. They still don't go on historical, but they actually go on the opposite. They do decolonization. They never do like the empire path. So yeah, it is very interesting to see them do this. Let's see how can it actually change stuff. You know what time it is? Well, sadly I haven't done, I didn't got any reduction to my doctrines. So I guess I'll just waste it and let's do infantry offensive. Boom. Okay. Actually, you know what? Before that, I want to make a new division template. One that will be stronger and more reliable when attacking the Frenchies. I guess this one could be better. It's 25 VF. I guess that's fine. Just to make a scary logo. Scare all of our enemies. And let's see if we could actually change that. No, we don't have enough artillery. Well, we could actually change it to this. Well, but it is making them, actually weaker. But you know what? The invasion could be like delayed a little bit. Looks like our old ally was just reunified. That's very cool. And also very good. Our good old ally. Okay. Guess that's now fine. Just we also get all of the bonuses of attacking. So you know what time it is, right? It's time to attack.
Angetreten. Ihre Befehle?
Oh, I actually thought we were supposed to automatically get Luxembourg. You can see oh, I didn't even put my planes. Okay, we got Belgium. And now gonna head up straight for the French. Okay? It's easy as that. And now we just declare war on them. And that would be very easy because it's always very easy to invade the French. Because it's the French. They are losers. Wait. Okay, just put our air force here. And oh, we are being naval invaded right now. That is great. And we will actually conquer everything. I hate forming Bourbon France. You may ask why. And this is just because from the simple reason of the fact that I have a generic leader. Now we are just going to invade
Ihre Befehle.
the British. So I put some troops on the Dutch border, and I have also started planning my invasion of the UK with my shock troops. Now the thing is that I don't understand why I get only 20% naval supremacy. I put all of my navy on the English Channel. Now usually when I do, historical Germany, I get like 55% superiority or something like that. Even to my Air Force is making a really big difference. Oh my god. It was like 27 and now it's 41. Well, I guess I'll just wait until the naval invasion launches. Looks like Wilhelm II just died. Also, you may wonder why did I just cancel my, naval invasion order. Is because I prefer to get landing craft and in naval invade much better, instead of 10 divisions with 24 divisions, which will actually allow me to secure a really good position. Cause look who is at war now. Okay, so now I'm gonna plan my new naval invasion, which would actually be, actually really good. Well, now I'll finally start to prepare for my big naval invasion. And that's the Polish kept. Well, that was suck. But I will still invade the Soviet Union, so yeah. Ooh. The Italians have captured Suez. I just can't get over the fact that the British put so many ships in the English Channel. Okay, you know what? I actually decided that I want to push to Africa a little because I don't really have anything better to do at this point.
Zuhören.
You know what? Let's actually first invade Luxembourg, my favorite neighborhood. Ooh. The US was started. By Luxembourg.
Zuhören.
Wait a second. Oh, the United States. Wait, okay, it launched. Okay, it launched. It legitimately launched. Okay. I have nothing more to say other than the fact that it has been launched.
Wieder zurück.
Okay. That's great.
Bereit.
Now we have captured all of this. Damn, that's great. Okay, let's start putting, sending our divisions slowly. Let's just pushing. Holy shit! The hell is this sound? Come on.
Ihre Befehle?
Aggressively push. Oh my god, we legit got London. Okay. Yes. Finally something works for me.
Achtung.
Oh my god. Yes, this is all I wanted. Oh, that's because the Italians put at ships. I think it was.
Los.
Otherwise, why would we even have all of that? No, just start aggressively push. Yes. Okay, please, come on. Let's just continue pushing.
Befehle!
Come on. I will for real
Ihre Befehle!
put all of my divisions here right now. Here at least. Send them to here. And these guys won't just
Ausrücken!
finish the British off. No! The
Zuhören!
hell have I just done? Come on. Could continue. Come on.
Bereit! Angetreten! Greift
Oh my
weiter
god,
an!
why did I overstuck?
Abstand halten!
I think I actually invaded them a little bit too late, but still. As I am slowly... Oh,
Angetreten!
this is something else that always happening. They always try to naval invade.
Zuhören!
This is very painful. I hate it. This is horrible. That they naval invade you.
Zeigt es ihnen!
Okay,
Bereit zum Ausrücken!
now we just need to hold basically.
Bereit zum Ausrücken!
I will maybe try them to just continue killing themselves slowly and slowly. Look at this juicy segment. Oh my god. Okay. We are actually holding them pretty great. They just keep attacking on aggressive. Oh my god. Gotten Demarong literally made the British in Sea Lion so fucking aggressive. Looks like the British naval invaded. And the fact that I put some troops to guard the ports didn't really help a lot. Well, I hope I will not naval invade from water direction, because that will not be very funny
Achtung!
in case this happens now. This fucking up my supply
Los!
pretty much, so yeah, it's not very good. But well, we could see that has 3 kills. Just once again put here port secures.
Befehle!
What, when I look at it, I see that I just don't have the strength anymore. I killed 2 million British, well 1.2 actually, but you know, just 2 million of them died. So just put it on aggressive and boom, counter attack. GG's. Start by taking mainland Britain, okay, and the rest of the European territories. I legit don't care. Italy can take any colonies I want. I'm just happy that I even done this. And this is not very, you know, good, but still, you know, we currently have some colonies, some stuff. Looks cool. Ooh, and free Indian. It's set at the oh, you know what? That's actually even better. You know, that's actually even better that I have stayed. These losers, they could enjoy here. Honestly, I don't care. Rosalie is probably crying right now. Wait, No, that's actually not good. So does this we cannot make puppets. Oh no. Seriously? Oh no. Didn't care enough of the peace deal. Well, that's fine actually. As you can see, I am really improving my divisions. So yeah, they will be much better now, much more reliable. Let's just see. I think I'll take logistics company actually. Just see if we have enough. Yeah, it looks like that to me. We also got here some trains, like traits that we could assign. So our justification on the USSR and Poland was just finished, so I guess let's declare war. Also, Yugoslavia and Bulgaria joined our faction anyway.
Bereit zum
Let's
Ausrücken.
go. Boom.
Bereit zum Ausrücken.
Boom. Okay, it doesn't start very good, honestly, but it will get better, trust me. Only problem that we're a little bit outnumbered. Oh no, we can't actually really attack here. We are really outnumbered in East Prussia, honestly. We will have to do something about that. Oh, but we did capture Danzig. Actually, from the Austrian border it looks much better. It actually looks like there is a hope. And I actually didn't use my air force. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. That's literally impacting so much. It makes such a big difference. Why didn't I use that? Anyway, no, actually, I just take these 14 divisions and use them here. We push them back, but at what cost, basically? Oh no, I kept this back. I need to reload.
Vorwärts, Männer!
I guess we should have played in another way. Maybe we should do to them what we did to the British. We just let them waste, like, attack us aggressively and then we'll just counter-attack. I guess that could be a great idea.
Zuhören!
Even though that's honestly just pathetic.
Befehle!
Gotta do what you gotta do in order to win. Ooh. My god. Look at this. They are trying to counter-attack, but they are just killing themselves. What is this supposed to even be? At this point, I'm just disappointed. Oh, and we also don't have war support, but well, kinda, we could just do that. But what is going on? Why the hell is the Soviet Union against Argentina? They're literally against everybody. Even against Turkey, Iran, let's invite them too. India. They're even against Afghanistan. Okay, that just said it is point. Look at the Central Powers. That's just huge. So cool. Come on. Wait. Wait. Ooh, first encirclement, baby. That was easy. Well, that's honestly not fair. Once again, look at the faction map. They're basically against the whole world. But still.
Achtung!
Let's try to make another push here.
Bereit zum Ausrücken!
And here too. And make another huge encirclement. That's another 10 Soviet divisions trapped and encircled. Ooh, let's even invite Portugal to our alliance. Honestly, oh, the Spaniards don't really want to join. Makes sense. Invite Argentina. And let's integrate Alsace-Lorraine. Oh my god. They are getting heavy casualties. Okay, so honestly from here, just watch me destroy the Soviets. Just like that. Slowly and steady. We'll do stuff in a more slow and smart way.
Angetreten.
Prevent them from reinforcing.
Greift weiter an.
Take loads because it's free.
Weiter,
Never mind,
weiter.
it's not free anymore.
Ausrücken. Auf geht's.
Ooh, we're not really having a great supply here. What? Maybe I am actually getting somewhat of an encirclement. Instead that I'm just putting a straight line. I think they're done after this. I also see that the Turkish and the Italians were like invading from the Kafkaz, the offensive line, because it's going great in the line. Honestly, I have no idea what could we even do here. We finished the doctrines. Yay, Königsberg is back again ours. And we
Bereit zum
did it.
Ausrücken.
Now just let's put a offensive line at Riga and push it the Baltics. Look at this big encirclement. So the Polish capitulate.
Zeigt es ihnen.
Yeah, that's good. It's very good.
Ausrücken.
Just take it. Yeah, baby. It's mine do. Okay, we just take here free land. I could also continue to Leningrad, honestly. Looks like Japan got capitulated, and why communist China against Korea? I literally don't get it. Wait, what? They're literally against all of the Chinese warlords. that's weird. Anyway, we continue to push here with no one literally stopping us. So, as you can see, I almost finished killing the Soviets. But honestly, I just want to end the video here because I didn't really do a collab, and it will probably take me one IRL how to, you know, destroy the Soviets only to get the peace deal. So yeah, that was my German Empire playthrough. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. You remember how small we were and how big we got? Yeah, me too. So yeah, goodbye.